This is your Arkansas State Police Highway Patrol. Eastbound, past the Pine and Cedar. I'm trying to catch up to him. To your left, Bloch man. We've already shown us 1037. Dodge Challenger. I can't get the tax number.
For Challenger and Charger Racing.
Charger and Challenger, both blacked out. 630 eastbound, still passing okay.
Passing MLK, blacked out. 32, I'm behind them. Speed's about 120, light traffic. Speed's 120, light traffic.
Still eastbound, just past Chester.
Eastbound past Chester. 150.
Will you contact the construction crews, please, in case they're doing construction?
Contacting construction crews.
Coming up to your left. The Charger tag is BLAULC.
Victor Lincoln Adam, Union Lincoln Charger.
They just split. One went 9th Street. I'm staying with the Charger on 30 eastbound.
Staying with the Charger, 30 eastbound. 37 was not green also. Yes, 137. I'm looking out, they can get you right there.
Negative. Still eastbound. Up to the river bridge.
Eastbound coming up to the river bridge. In the left lane, 97 miles an hour. Left lane, 97 miles an hour. River bridge. Coming up to the river bridge. Back left lane, 127. Passing Broadway. 127, passing Broadway. Right lane, coming up on Carter Sykes, 127.
They just blacked out. Blacked out.
Sykes. Taking Curtis Sykes. Hit. 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 Good.
Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put it in park! Put the car in park! Roll your window down! Roll your window down!
Put the car in park!
Okay. Turn the car off.
Okay. Put your fucking hands up! My hands up.
Stop.
My hands up.
Stop.
My hands up.
Be quiet.
Okay.
Be quiet.
Okay. Okay.
Keep them. Keep your hands on the roof, back passenger. You hear me?
I can let his window down too.
No. Stop. No. Is there a guy behind you?
Right now.
Is there a guy behind you also?
No, no.
There's only 3. You keep your hands up.
My hands are up. My hands are up. My hands are up.
Who's that Challenger with you too?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
Well, I'm about to back my car up. I want to get another gun on it.
I don't don't know.
Keep it going.
Climb out. Hey, I don't know. Climb out.
Climb out.
Don't move your hands.
Climb out.
My hat. No. Climb out of the car right now.
Let's go.
Climb out. I can't get out.
Why?
No, I gotta let the window down.
No. Come on, climb out.
Sir, climb out. I can't get out.
Get out of the car. Let's go. Come on. Slide out. You got him?
Round this way.
Good?
Yep. I got back seat, you got front. I got back seat, you got front.
Get out. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now.
You're back.
We're 1015 times 3, 1050. Put in there. Start 1011. You got weapons on you? No, sir. Stand up. Roll over to your left. Yep. Stand up. I'm sorry. Lean up against the car. Okay. You got any ID on you or anything?
No, sir. I got my debit card. That's all I got.
That's all you got?
Yes, sir.
Why don't you have an ID on you?
I was thinking I had no other driver, sir.
You weren't thinking about it?
No, sir. My name is LeAndrew.
Y'all got any weed or anything in the car?
No, sir.
Was that y'all something out or was it that Challenger?
No, sir. We did not throw anything out. We was. I told you we were speeding, but that was it. Nothing else. We weren't doing anything, sir.
Don't want to hold him. Alright, when you get done, you can put him in my back right seat.
He said he's got a weapon in there in his glove box.
What is it?
It's my arm.
Let's see, you got a gun. I didn't know who was in front of me or what. I had his tag, so I was like, I'm gonna stick with him.
No, stand up right there the whole time. You think? Go. Get in.
Something here. All right.
We started.